Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, I told you that Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 official update for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, including S25 FE and for the Galaxy Z7 series. And I predicted this 2 weeks ago that Samsung will start rolling out One UI 8.5 official update before May 10. So yeah, I'm always right. And yes guys, in my yesterday One UI 8.5 official update video, I got a very good response, and in my comment section is literally filled with one simple question, bro. What about S24 series? What about S23 series? What about A series, M series, Z series? When will our device will get One UI 8.5 official update? Like there is hundred of comments. Like I don't know, I usually reply comments, but there are too many comments, so I was not able to reply each and every comments. So I thought, why not make a video and inform you guys like when will your device will receive One UI 8.5 official update. Without further delay, let's get started and let me tell you the One UI 8.5 official update release date for your Samsung phones. Let's get started. So as always, Samsung will roll out One UI 8.5 official update in phases like phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, and phase 1 has already started yesterday, which is May 6, and this phase is expected to continue till around May 15. This is basically premium flagship and latest device rollout phase where Samsung usually gives update to their latest and most premium phones. So the first device included in phase 1 are obviously the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, including S25 FE, Galaxy S24 series including Galaxy S24 FE, and also the Galaxy Z7 series, and also the Galaxy Z6 series, and also Galaxy Tab S11 series and Tab S10 series. And here is the official post from Samsung, and here is the list of phase 1 device list officially from Samsung, which are getting One UI 8.5 official update starting from May 6. Now currently S25 series and the Galaxy Fold 7 series has already started receiving the official update in Korea, and honestly guys, I think global rollout can start anytime from now, like maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, or maximum from May 11, because Samsung usually likes to push global updates on Monday. So guys, if you have the Galaxy S25 series, Galaxy S24 series including S25 FE, S24 FE, Galaxy Z7 series, Galaxy Z6 series, you might receive update on May 11 or maybe before May 11. Okay, this time it won't be delayed because previously it was delaying because Samsung was not rolling out official update to any device. Now Samsung has already started rolling out updates to S25 series in Korea, so update phase has already started. Okay, so this time it won't be delayed, so all the device which I mentioned for the phase 1 you will receive updates before May 15. All right. And after phase 1, obviously Samsung will start phase 2 rollout, and honestly guys, this is the phase where most Samsung users are waiting, because in phase 2 lot of Samsung models will receive One UI 8.5 official update. Phase 2 is expected to start from around May 15 and continue till around May 25. So the device included in phase 2 are the Galaxy S23 series including S23 FE, Galaxy Fold 5, also guys Galaxy A56 and A36, and also Flip 5, and also the Galaxy A55, A54, A35, A34. Also some newer budget phones like the Galaxy M56, M36, F36, F56 and A27, A17, F17, M17, and some other recently launched AM series device. So the devices which I just mentioned will receive One UI 8.5 official update around like May 15 to May 25. Okay, now finally after phase 2, the last rollout phase will start, which is basically the phase 3, and this phase is expected to start from around May 25 and continue till June 1st week. Now in this phase, Samsung will push the update to all remaining eligible Galaxy devices including the Galaxy S22 series and also Galaxy Fold 4 series and maybe S21 FE also. Till now Samsung haven't confirmed that S21 FE will get the update or not. One UI 8.5 is based on Android 16, it is not based on Android 17. So S21 FE also have a high chance to receive One UI 8.5 official update because S21 FE is already in One UI 8, which is based on Android 16. And also all the remaining budget phones which are eligible for One UI 8.5 official update will get One UI 8.5 official update around May 25 to June 1st week, like A series like A15, A06, A07, etc. and also from M series series like M06, M15, M16, etc., and also from F series like F06, F15, F16, etc. Okay, so basically guys, all remaining eligible Samsung Galaxy device should receive One UI 8.5 official update before June 1st week or maximum June 2nd week depending on your region. So yeah guys, finally One UI 8.5 stable update season has officially started, and trust me guys, now S24 series, S23 series, A series, M series and F series users won't have to wait for the official update. Okay, you don't have to wait for the update too much. Okay, the update is very near. I have already given you the date. Okay, anyway guys, which Samsung phones are you using right now and in which phase your phone falls? Comment below. And yes guys, whenever your device will start receiving One UI 8.5 official update, I will make a video and inform you guys. So subscribe to this channel, and if this video was helpful, please give it a like. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye, take care. If you have any question also, you can comment below. Bye.